But I can say that you're aware of the multi-agency investigation that's going on in relation to activity as SSL. So as part of the investigation, a team of officers led by the head of the fraud squad as well as the investigative department of the FID, so they conducted a search at the home of Ms. Panton, who is at the center of the investigation. So far, not much I can share about the search. What I can tell you that they have taken some documents that they believe could be of assistance to them. They will be analyzing those documentation to see if it provides any support to the ongoing investigation. They have also taken into their custody some cell phones, which will be analyzed. So at this stage, we don't know what's going to come of this search, what it will lead to, but so far, that's where they are with the investigation at the moment.